Nice work, Bug. Kinda spoiled my big night, but we'll roll with it. Risks of live TV. You like? Project Olympus in action. Finished it up while you were playing with the Dons.
So that's what they're wearing in Paris this season. Hate to say it, but brushed gunmetal is not your color.
I'm trying to revitalize the mob over here. That takes long-term leadership. Now, I'm long-term.
Your parts warranty may be long-term, but you're nuts.
Nah. I'm just a guy who knows a thing or two about PR. The city don't take the Maggia seriously no more. Don't respect us. But after they see me break you in half, all that's gonna change. Time to bring back the glory days.
Punching his head is like punching a wall, made of solid steel. Gotta be faster!
I'll break your friggin' jaw! Stay out of our way!
Your obsession with respect comes off as extremely insecure!
I'll insecure your head from your spine!
Just one hard head! Really see this ending well for you?
I don't see this ending for me at all.
You got a death wish, huh?
Captain Yuri Watanabe sends her regards!
That two-bit pig couldn't stop me if she dedicated... Gonna teach you to respect her better!
I think I'm doing an okay job at that!
Take him out! Don't let him get you!
Can't let him get me with his head!
Here comes the pain! And now!
Ow! Punching his head is like punching a wall, made of solid steel.
You got a death wish, huh?
But I can short out his new gears.
I can handle this out. This'll do to you! I'll break your friggin' jaw!
Gotta be faster!
Bring him back to Earth!
That is one hard head!
You're a freak, you know that?
Hot kettle giant exoskeleton! I've punched a lot of heads. Yours has to be the hardest.
I can hit. You like the new look, Spider?
It's a little bulky. You ever considered spandex?
Boss wants his head! Bring him down! Freeze! You're under arrest!
So yeah, turning yourself into a crime against nature, maybe not such a good idea after all, huh?
Pal, you weren't listening when I said long term. Old school Majia's got patience. Knows how to wait till just the right moment.
Yuri. What are you... No, Yuri! Don't do this!
Captain! Stop! This is bad.
Last time we met, you said something about fear. How do you feel now?
Just dandy.
feel bad for the captain, but I'm glad this monster's dead.
Who says he's dead?